there's Ate Aya, the one to get into the bus. Okay, go, Brielle. The driver for today is Gianna Brielle Maralit. We're going to Jollibee daw. Okay, let's go. Keep on driving. Did you pay na? You pay. You pay. Where's your payment? You're going to pay sa bus, di ba? Oh, pay na. Kunin mo yung bayad mo, Brielle. Okay. Oh, going to SM. Which SM? SM Sukat, SMBF. Okay, Dre, we're going to SMBF. Go. Okay, go. Okay. We're in SMBF na. Oh, your phone. I don't know where's your phone. Oh, baba na si Andre sa SMBF. Sino pa bababa sa SMBF? Okay. Okay, go, Caleb. Okay, stop na si Braille. Wala na siyang pasahero. Na Braille na.